Welcome to our channel.
Join us as we are outbound to Galveston, Texas. To get there, first we have to fly into Houston, pick up a car rental, then head southeast. Galveston is about 45 minutes away from Houston towards the Gulf.
But we have to stop at the one and only HEB for some necessities.
Then onward to Texas City for some Buc-ee's breakfast.
Check out our recent video that covers our top 10 Buc-ee's bites.
And then we reach the Gulf towards the Airbnb, which is right on the water. Once we're all settled in, it's time to head to Moody Gardens.
Moody Gardens is a public, nonprofit, educational, and entertainment destination. They have a hotel on site as well as a golf course. The Galveston Pyramids are 3 pyramid-shaped structures at Moody Gardens. These pyramids are dedicated to different attractions: the Aquarium Pyramid, the Rainforest Pyramid, and the Discovery Pyramid, which we unfortunately didn't have time to explore. To visit, they offer different value passes if you book ahead online, but at the gate you can purchase the attractions together as a general admission or each pyramid separately.
The Aquarium Pyramid is a 1.5 million gallon aquarium, and it is home to over 300 species of fish and other marine life. Here are some highlights of our visit.
I always say that my spirit animal is a rockhopper penguin, and this was my first time ever seeing them outside of the Discovery Channel. And they have both the northern and southern rockhoppers here. They also exhibit 5 other penguin species: the king penguin, gentoo, chinstrap, macaroni, and Humboldt.
My favorite exhibit is the jellies exhibit. This exhibit is well done. The lighting effects highlight the movement of the jellies. There are also a 360 tank in the middle of the room that feels immersive compared to looking at one view wall of a tank. It was a mesmerizing and captivating experience.
We spent a good amount of time watching the seals, following their patterns, watching them barrel roll, and make their laps.
You can even touch a stingray, if you're lucky.
Quick stop to the gift shop, looking for some penguin merch. The Humboldt penguin exhibit is right before the exit. They are in a separate habitat as they require a warm climate. Cutie. Buddha, watch out for that macaroni penguin.
There is also a shark tunnel, 3D and 4D theater, animal encounter activities, and more at the aquarium.
Now we're off to check out the Rainforest Pyramid. We surprisingly enjoyed the rainforest. We originally came here with the intention of just going to the aquarium. However, they convinced us to book both the aquarium and rainforest, and we were so glad that they did. Neither of us have had an experience quite like this.
Don't forget to look out for the giant river otters when you're at this vantage point.
We crossed the bridgeway in order to enter the Rainforest Pyramid. You begin at the top and work your way down the rainforest layers.
Look out for these AC vents for yourself, as this rainforest pyramid is kept quite humid like a real rainforest.
They list all the different creatures that roam freely in the pyramid, such as the socky monkey, cotton-top tamarin, and the elusive sloth. So keep an eye out to spot them throughout your descent.
Even AC vents for the bats as well.
Here is the Saki monkey napping.
Jump! He's like, no. Here's the cotton-top tamarin jumping around.
And here is the sloth scratching his head in this far corner.
All in all, we had a fun experience exploring both the Aquarium Pyramid and the Rainforest Pyramid.
We think that there is something for all ages to enjoy. There's something fun about being so close to a monkey regardless of what age you are.
Although pricey, they are, however, involved in conservation efforts. If you love animals and learning, then this is a place that you may enjoy.
Our next video will be our vlog of our Houston/Katy trip.
Until next time,
Remember to experience life.